all right, mate, how are you doing, like? So, a lot of people, I'll tell you my name first, that'll probably be a good starter. So, my name's Sarah Valentine, and I am the accent coach, and I've been teaching accents for quite a while now, and I've been asked, I don't know how many times, that to like show that I can do a Geordie accent, so that if people want to learn how to do it, that I actually know what I'm talking about. But I'm in lockdown, and so I've actually had like a bit of time to do stuff, and so that's why I'm doing my videos. I think I'm like 20 days in. It's been like, I feel like it's been a lifetime. Like 10 minutes ago, I was out there making movies and being on set and like having a good time, and I'm locked in my house in this horrible room. I don't like it one bit. And my mum, she's in England, and I can't go and see her. And my brother lives like 7 hours away in a car, and I can't go and see him either. I know it's like everybody's like stuck and having a shite time, like, but what on earth happened? I don't really know. Anyway, I suppose I just wanted to say that, like, if you need to learn an accent, I'm your man, woman. I'm like from Jamaica now. I've got to go back to my Geordie accent, because that's the accent that I was doing. Like, don't get me jumping around. Yes, so if you need to learn an accent, you basically come to me, send us me email. We'll sit down, we'll work out what it is that you need to learn, and then we'll fine tune it so that you sound exactly like what you want to sound like. All right, Pat. You have a good day, and I'll catch you on the other side. And if we do a Skyping session, or you go to one of my courses, I'll see you in there. All right, have a good day. Stay safe. Stay at home.